but I wasn't going, and then all of a sudden you came in front of me.
Actually, I was already.
아이고.
Where do we want to find Alan? Oh, it's here.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Oxford Circle.
Ay, marica.
He blames you that you're doing something. He tells me I have a boyfriend. I don't have no boyfriend.
This is ridiculous.
Uh-oh. They pulled over.
Go down! Go down! Hello! Go down!
He's hit your
Go
car.
down! No! Go down! You hit me!
He pulled it. You was in the right lane.
See it? See that?
We eat breakfast.
What, Bob?
But
No.
she stood there and she's like squirreling.
No. Jeffrey,
Vehicle ahead.
Oh! Everybody okay?
No.
Bobby, are you okay?
No.
Back, you're fine. Back up.
Over due to President Trump's tariffs and that Canada will have to dramatically reduce reduce its reliance on the U.S.
It's going to change the NHL. Oh, okay. If it affects hockey, then we're in trouble. Well, this city is. That won't affect the country.
Right.
If we deport all our NHL players.
So we're super excited about that.
And they're leaving the dining for free.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa!
Hurry up.
There we go.
Why are you waiting for those lights?
There we go.
Awesome. You should have did the okay, Garmin.
Okay, Gorman. Save video.
They still going.
He's pulled over though.
God! Jesus Christ! What? What?
Really?
Holy shit! What the fuck?